If you want to get rid of Instagram Reels lagging, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix that. So first of all, if your Instagram Reels lag, first of all you will have to open up the Instagram app. Now you will have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on those three lines on the top right corner. And now once you are on this settings, you will have to scroll down all the way and you will have to tap on media quality in your app and media section. After that you will have to tap on use less mobile data. And now you will have to go back. Now if this fixes your problem, you're good to go. But if you're still facing the lag in your while scrolling reels, you can head over to the settings of your phone, then go to general, iPhone storage, and then you will have to look for Instagram. Tap on it, open it. Now if you're on an Android, you can simply head over to the settings and clear the cache, but on iPhone you will have to tap on offload app, then hit offload again. Now you will get an option of reinstall app, and basically it will clear the cache and cache files, which will help you fix bugs and glitches in the app, and it will also force update it to the latest version. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.